But our forefathers were educated, but they were not. They didn't have this form of literacy. They were literate in their own way, because there's what you call cultural literacy. And I will start, yes, by talking about digital literacy. But when I end up, we are going to be talking about digital literacies. Because it's a multi-dimensional level of literacy. We started acquiring what you call literacy. We started bringing words, letters, and figures together. We gained the ability to recognize alphabets, numbers, the ability to sum them, to evaluate them, to subtract them, the ability to create words, sentences, write paragraphs progressively as we went on. So our world was analog, so it was okay for us to also learn the analog way. So the best of all those things were okay, because yes, we understand that that was what the world needed then. Of course, as at that time, I'm not sure the number of Nigerians who had seen a computer. I mean, I'm talking of, let's say some 40 years ago, 45 years ago. The number of Nigerians who would have seen a computer may not be up to 10. You know, until recently, on this whole street, there will be just one or two telephones. 9 telephones. Some of them have not seen it before. And you know, things that come on the slides I could have got. And if you see a telephone, but I actually have to ask a daughter of a friend to say, what is the basic telephone? How do you use this? Where is it? How do you dare? She won't just understand that a telephone will have a box and then you put something on it and then after you go rolling and rolling and rolling. How many of these students have seen it before? So developing technology, level of literacy, definition of literacy also changed. Such that if as I stand here, or there is anybody here who went through what I went through and is still in that same place, that person is a completely true learning with chalk, and then you move to paper and Bible, and that's all you can still do. They're illiterate. You don't exist here. You should be in a museum or a zoo. Now, in the next 10 years, what will happen to you? People will pay money to come and look at you because you'll be so old. I mean, when you guys a good side, because you can commercialize your ignorance. You know? They put you in a cage and go, see that person. He doesn't know how to use a computer. Are you sure? Okay, and God created this person and he cannot use a computer. Yes, that is how ridiculous it is. It's going to be. So why do our schools need to, one, run smart schools? If you want to run smart schools, it means you must have smart teachers. It's only when you have a smart school that have smart teachers that can produce smart students who will graduate into a smarter world. Otherwise, you are just wasting everybody's time. Wasting your time, you are wasting the students' time, you are wasting their parents' time, you are wasting the society's time. Don't run a school. Go and run a zoo. Or start a museum of antiquities. Because virtually everything that we need to do now, we do digitally. Virtually.